we are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong, including from French, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different ways of pronouncing it in English. In British English it's pronounced as chauffeur, chauffeur. Now in American English it's generally said more as chauffeur, chauffeur, and that's because it's a word from French, and in French there's no stress on any particular syllable, so some pronounce it with an emphasis, a stress on the first syllable, chauffeur, while others in the US in particular say chauffeur. If you want to hear how it sounds in French, it's actually said chauffeur, chauffeur. And yeah, now you know, you got it, and yeah, thank you. You know it all now. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, it helps a lot. And more videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. More correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.